tier 3 lockdown, pubs well and truly snookered until one man outwitted the system. Stephen Davis, you are a legend. The doors are open, keeping the taps flowing. Absolutely devastated. I was in the wrong settings. Just gave a hell of a shout out to Chloe and Kean. What a nightmare. This was not supposed to start like this. I had a lot of good edits. I gave a shout out to Kean and Chloe. Thanks for the support. I'm going to have to do it again. I talked about the versatility in the menu. Cheers anyway. Look at this. You get everything: pepper, salt, vinegar, mayonnaise, ketchup and brown. I'm still reeling from the effort put into the shots before, just gone. Kean, Chloe, it was epic. Maybe not epic, but it was really clever. Gave you a hell of a shout out. Gone, only I saw it. I'll protect the screens everywhere, it's all secluded. What a job, converted it into a fully functioning restaurant with a substantial menu. Assorted pasty with chips, that's what I've gone for. Sausage roll, 2 sausage rolls with chips or salad, jack and potato, assorted fillings, and a side, assorted pie with chips or salad, and soup of the day with a roll, $1.75. Tea and coffee, sit in or take away. Genius. Gonna go for all 3. Red. There is no discrimination. Jesus. Status is harder to open than the door. Oh, right. Shit, I was... Done it. Couldn't be stopped. Well, desperate times call for double measures. Top notch scran, in all fairness. Got some others behind me then. Not much swilling ice at the moment, so it's got to tactically work out the right amount of alcohol to get through what's left. How many chips? Press OK and then it sends you a text and then you respond to the text. 8, but some are small. Another great company that's been hit hard by the pandemic. Oven Rescue Northwest. I've gave them a shout out before, I didn't know who they were. But they're a very good company. I'm going to put some before and afters and a link in the description. Because they do some top work. I've seen it firsthand and they've helped me a lot, so if you want to support the channel, follow them on Facebook. And if you need oven cleaning, they're the people to do it. Some people say it's me. Can I finish up? The bill? Always the worst part. Everyone looking at me like I'm strange. Well, there it is. The start of the rebellion. The pubs will stay open, the taps will stay flowing. Made a hash of it today. But I got the job done, and that's that.